Hello and welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. This is an update on my food stockpile for this winter and beyond. My goal is to eventually try to get a year's worth of food in here, so I don't have to worry about constantly trying to stockpile for the winter. These are too deep. Each one of these are too deep. Plus I got like a few packets of like yellowfin tuna or something else behind them for some of them. But they are at least too deep of either potatoes, different flavors of those, or the knorr rice. This is some grits here. I also have 2 cup of noodles. These were in one of the food hauls that I did. This is tuna and tomatoes. So I picked up a can of oysters. I had 2 of them, but I had one the other day. So because I haven't had them for a long time, so they're kind of a treat for me. But that is one of my. Sorry about the mess over there. It's dish soap. So these are all too deep with maybe a couple of packets here and there. I got these from a viewer. And these are a couple of packets of pink chunk salmon. So yeah. I also have another one behind this door that's too deep with rice and potatoes. So I am still trying to figure out how to get more fruits and vegetables in here. Well, dried, so I can add them to different different ones of these, like the Knorr rices or things like that. I can add more nutrition to it, and that way it rounds out the nutritional value a little bit more. But yeah, that is an update. With the thanks to Carol Ann that helped me get a few more things in this pouch system. I'm on my way to getting through the winter. All right, thanks everybody. Have a great day. God bless. Bye for now.